So at the Pure Air booth here, I wanted to show you this. This is their little Pure Air fridge. This is an ion and ozone generating device, battery powered. It has, of course, USB charge right there, micro USB in the back. This will last about 20 days in your refrigerator. And what this is going to do is not only eliminate the odors from your refrigerator, but it's going to make your vegetables and produce last a lot longer, because it's going to be slowing down that off-gassing you get with your vegetables and things that cause them to basically decay and deteriorate in your refrigerator. This is going to save you money in the long run. You're going to be able to put that in there, turn it on, and then like about every 20 days, you're going to need to recharge it overnight, and you're good to go for the next day. We'll put a link in the description below so you can check this out, but this is from Pure Air. This is the fridge, a device to help save those produce and make your refrigerator smell much nicer.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.